Hello, I'm by name Jami Abiodun, an applied mathematician at STEMFocus Department, Unicorn Group of Companies. Today, we'd like to explain the strong bond between mathematics and artificial intelligence. Many of the virtual realities we have been experiencing in sci movies for a long time have now become a reality in our daily activities now through the invasion of artificial intelligence. And mind you, the concept of artificial intelligence is actually dependent on different various concepts of mathematical science. The main purpose of artificial intelligence is just to create a problem that is understandable to the human thinking through the help of various concepts of mathematics. The idea of building a machine that mimics human behavior, which is the main concept under the artificial intelligence, is quite dependent on the concept of mathematics, as said earlier. So most of the things in artificial intelligence have strong bond with different concepts of mathematics. The main purpose of artificial intelligence is to create a model that is understandable to the human being and solve the problems. So under the world of technology. So before we move on, please like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, share, and have comments on our comment section. The following ways are different ways by which the mathematics has helped in improving the concept of artificial intelligence. One, it provides the analytical thinking for the AI scientist, and with that, can be able to think properly in order to solve complex problems. Two, it assists the artificial intelligence experts to be able to think under the pressure. It also provides the AI experts the strong analytical thinking in solving problems. It creates some concepts and structures in terms of algorithm in which the AI experts can have some modification whenever there is need. We may be wondering whether it is compulsory for someone that wants to go into artificial intelligence concept to be a mathematician. No, it is not necessary to be a mathematician, but some concept of mathematics has to be put in place before somebody can become a very unique expert in the concept of AI. So the following concepts are very important. One, the concept of linear algebra, and also two, the concept of probability, and three, the concept of calculus are very important for somebody to be able to thrive very well in artificial intelligence. For instance, now if you consider the concept of linear algebra, various concepts of linear algebra can be used for different purposes in AI. The concept like game theory, the linear transformation, matrix theory, and others can be used under the linear algebra to give different models in artificial intelligence. For instance, the concept of matrix theory can be used in neural network, in which we can match the neurons with human behavior. And also in some other concepts, we can also use various concepts of linear algebra as well. Also, another concept that we have mentioned earlier is the concept of calculus. The various forms of calculus that involves the differential calculus, integral calculus, optimization theory are also applied in different concepts of AI for the models. So if these concepts are properly learned, someone will be able to have different models that suit its purpose in the concept of artificial intelligence. Like the concept of optimization, there may be need for minimization or maximization of certain function in order to have an effective model that can be used to model a physical phenomenon. Furthermore, as we mentioned earlier, the concept of probability, as we know that probability is working with uncertainty, and the human behavior is subject to uncertainties. So in order to quantify some certain things, there will be need for a probability concept in which we are not dealing with a deterministic situation. So the probability concept can be brought in order to have an effective model as well. So that one will enhance the productivity as far as artificial intelligence is concerned. For many people that have phobia for mathematics and they want to go into the concept of artificial intelligence, they have nothing to fear about. So at our STEMFocus department, Unicorn group of companies, we have the experts in mathematics that can put them through the needed mathematics they will be in need of in order to be able to thrive well in the world of artificial intelligence. This is what we have for us today on our YouTube channel. So for more educative program of this, you can drop the comments on our comment section. So till next time that we are on the channel again. Thank you. I'm Jamiu Abiodun.